Good day everyone, you're watching Rate You Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about Stellar Repair for Excel. Now, this is the powerful tool to repair the corrupt Excel files with an extension .xls and .xlx and recover all the data with 100% integrity. And I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instruction on how to use this tool to repair the corrupt Excel file. So for the demonstration, we will use these three sample files to recover the data from the corrupted Excel file. So if I try to open any of these files, I will not be able to open it because these files are corrupted. So we're going to see if the Stellar Repair tool can recover the corrupted Excel file which are already there on the computer. Now, before we install this software, let's go ahead and talk about a couple of features of Stellar Repair for Excel. Now, some of the key features are it supports .xls and .xlsx, and it can repair the files and also recover tables, pivot tables, charts, and chart sheets. And it also preserves the spreadsheet properties and cell formatting. It can also repair multiple XLS or XLSX files. So in one instance or in one go, it can support recovering of multiple of Excel files. Now we can use the Stellar Excel file repair tool in multiple instances. You can use this tool when you're not able to open Excel file due to invalid extension, and can also use this tool if you're not able to open a file due to corruption, and also if you're not able to find unreadable content. So these are the scenarios where you can open the Excel or Stellar Repair tool. Now here are some of the key features of Stellar Repair Excel tool. Some of the features are fix large size Excel files. It resolves all Excel file corruption errors. It also recovers all Excel objects, and it allows you to preview the repaired file. So these are the features. If you want to know more about the key features and some of the awesome features, you can check the link in the video description. Now, if you also want to know more about the pricing, you can also check the link in the video description. Now, let's go ahead and try to install this software. To install this software, you will have to click on free download, follow the step-by-step instruction on the screen to complete the installation process. So as soon as the software is installed, this is how you can go to your desktop and launch the Stellar Repair for Excel. So as soon as the software is launched, now what you will have to do is you will have to select the file which you want to recover the data from. So select locate the corrupted Excel file. So in my case, I'm going to browse to the location because I have saved the file on the desktop. You can also search for the files. By searching for the files, what it will do is it will search for all the Excel files which are present on the computer, and it will display right here. So from this section, you can go ahead and select the file and then click on repair. So like I said, in this video, I'm going to browse to the location. So I'm going to browse to the location. I've saved the corrupted Excel files right on the desktop, and I'm going to select all the three different files because all these three files are corrupted. I'm going to click on open, and then I'm going to click on repair. So as soon as I click on repair, the repair process would be initiated. As soon as the repair is complete, it will preview the Excel files. So in my case, these are the files which were corrupted, and now I'm able to open these files and preview these files. So if you want to, what I would suggest you is whenever you're recovering any files, rather than saving this file on the same location, I would strongly advise you to save this file on a different location. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, I have selected all three different files. I'm going to click on save file, and I'm going to select new folder, click on browse, and I'm going to click on, I've already created a folder which says recovered. Click on OK, and then click on OK. So as soon as all the files are saved or recovered on a new location, it should give me a prompt saying that all the three files are recovered. Let's wait for a while. So if you look at the screen, it says saving is completed. It has we had three different files which you had selected, and all the 3 files has been repaired. In case if the files are not repaired, it would give us the status right in this section. So if you can click on open containing folder and try opening the Excel file and see if it works. So in my case, I was able to successfully restore the corrupted Excel files from my computer. So I hope this video was useful, and to know more about this software, please check the link in the video description. You can know more about this software. Try this software, and this should really help to recover the corrupted Excel files on your computer. So I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.